In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to draw a tangent at a given point on an arc when the center of the arc is not given. So now this is a random arc, just a random arc, and then we want to draw a tangent to this arc that passes through, let's say, this point. Let's pick a point P. So now all you need to do is you need to draw the given arc XY with the given point P, and then with center P and any convenience radius, draw an arc to call the given arc at A and B. So let me draw an arc with any given radius. Let's draw an arc to cut it at A and B. Let's call this A and B. This is A and this is B. Now the next stage is to you join A to B. So I'll join A to B. That's the next step. You join A to B. Now I've joined A to B. Now after doing that, you draw a line through AB, yes, and then you draw a line perpendicular to this line from P. So how you do that? If you want to draw a line perpendicular to a line from a point outside the line, just put your point at that point outside the line. Then you draw an arc on the given line. Then you simply put at either ends of that line, that intersection, and then cut above. You intersect above. So you draw a line through that point. You can also make them intersect below, but that doesn't affect the quality of your angle. So this line will be perpendicular to this line. So after doing that, with A and B as centers in turn, and we just PZ, draw an arc above. So now let's call this Z. So with A, let's open our radius to PZ. So the aim is to draw a parallel line to AB passing through P. So I'll draw an arc above A. Then with B, I'll draw an arc above B. So the next thing is to join the top of those arcs. So there's another method of doing this too. This is called the parallel line construction. So now this given line is with the tangent CT. So this is with the tangent that is to this arc passing through the point P.